Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Miss Magic, back with another video. Today I am going to be giving my lovely natural client a half up and a half down. But first, before we get started, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video, and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Alright, so we're going to jump right in. Like I was saying, my client is a total naturalista. She wears her hair natural all the time, but this is her homecoming and she wants something totally different. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to make it happen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this half up, half down. I am going to get started by blow drying her hair first. And then after that, we're going to braid up the back and make her ponytail. I braided the back up into 4 braids, and then I'm just sewing her braids flat to her hair so that it will lay flat when I put the cap on. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and silk press, well not silk press, but just straighten her ponytail part before I put the cap on the back. It just makes it easier when I have to put the cap on. Then her ponytail is already done. So I'm going to go ahead, like you see, flat iron it, flat iron her edges, and then we'll leave some of her edges out for her baby hairs. Now once I've done that, I'm going to take my beeswax and my small tooth comb, and I'm going to part her hair out into big sections and apply the beeswax, and then I'll take my small tooth comb and make sure I comb it nice and smooth, and then I will follow it up with the Got2b spray to give it that slick, shiny effect. Once you get the ponytail situated how you like it, you're going to go over with a warm blow dryer that will set it into place so that you can move on to the next section. All right, here is where I braid up the client's hair, and I did not show this, but after this, I take a black neck strip and I basically wrap it all around the ponytail. But first, I use, just so it will sit up the way we want it to, I use those real big, thick rubber bands. As you'll see, I only had white. I usually try to get black. And I put them at the base of the hair, and then I put a black neck strip around that part. And then I am going to put 2 more rubber bands over the black neck strips. And you'll see me doing that in just a second. Here I just took a black wig cap and I glued the perimeters, and then after I do that, I am going to place Morning Glory all around the head. If you don't know what Morning Glory is, it's a protectant for your natural hair. So there I am, and I'm just going to put it on, and the client just have to sit under the dryer for about like 5 minutes, or you can blow dry for about 5 minutes, and it will be secure. Once the client is ready to take their hair down, if you hit that Morning Glory with water, it just instantly peels off and protects the hair. And if you see here, this is where I wrapped the neck strip all around the ponytail at the top. Didn't use any glue or anything, I just wrapped it around. And now I'm going to apply the hair, guys. When you apply the hair with the glue, do it in a U-shaped pattern going all the way up. And this will ensure that when you or your clients put your head back or shake your hair, you will not see the tracks. So like I said, you're going to do this in a U shape going all the way up till you get to the top, and then that last part you can put one little track at the top. Don't worry about that track showing because the ponytail will cover the track. Once I'm done laying the tracks, I like to go ahead and curl or whatever I'm going to do to the back of the hair first. It just makes it easier before you actually put the ponytail in. I am done curling the back, and now I'm ready to put the ponytail in. I begin applying the ponytail by just taking some glue, and then I take the edges of the actual weft hair and glue it around, and then I start just applying glue to the actual neck strips and just wrap it around the neck strip. Just keep applying a little glue to the neck strip, wrap it around the neck strip, blow dry it a little bit to set, and keep going around all the way till I get to the base. Once I get to the base, I wrap around in a circle at the base while still applying to the actual ponytail, and this will give it volume and fullness at the base of the ponytail. Then you can take a piece of the hair out, ask your client or an assistant to hold the hair up, and you're basically going to wrap the base around with hair all the way up until you get the heightness and fullness that you want to achieve with your ponytail. Wrapping the band of hair all the way up ensures that the ponytail sits up. Now I'm just adding the curls to the ponytail to match the back of the hair. And that is it. That is the half up, half down. This is the way that I achieve it. Quick and easy. I want to thank you guys for watching. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Thank you guys for watching. Go ahead and watch my past, present, and future videos. Love you guys. Bye.